Today I'm doing a full face of Huda Beauty with what I actually own. So let's get right into it. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Colors Diary. And if this is the first time you're seeing my video, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on when I post my new videos. And for my existing subscribers, thank you guys so much. I love you all. Be honest, have you ever bought makeup during a sale and convinced yourself that you own the entire brand? Because that is what basically happened to me with Huda Beauty. So today I'm doing a full face of Huda Beauty with what I actually do have. I didn't get any as PR because these are products I actually bought with my hard-earned currency. As you can see, this is the only primer that I have. That is why I'm using it for the sole purpose of this video. Now I'm done applying the primer, and the primer actually feels really dry on my face. I think it's because it was like very little, and I'm using the one from the sachet, so I can't really give a very good review on this one. So next off is the Huda Beauty foundation, and I got this in the shade Hot Fudge 55R, and let's go on to apply this. And so we're just going like this, and I'm making use of a sponge to blend this out. I feel this shade is too dark and too warm for me, but we are going to use it like that anyways. Sincerely, this foundation just feels very orangey for me. It is just too orangey for me, sincerely. It's really, I just feel like it is too warm for my face. But anyways, we are going to continue regardless. I completely forgot about the Huda Beauty color corrector, so I'm just going to apply it over my foundation, which I don't normally do, but because I forgot it, we're going to do it like that today. So I got the color corrector in the shade Papaya, and I will just apply it here, because these are the places I have dark spots. I want to try using this to blend it out because I don't want it to spread everywhere. I know this is not going to do so much on my face because I have already applied the foundation, but oh my god, it's not blending well. But the corrector doesn't really look bad on top of the foundation. It basically just gives the under eye more coverage, basically. Like I said in the beginning of this video, there are some products from Huda Beauty I do not have, which is the liquid contour, the powder contour, and the liquid blush. So I'm going to make use of the bronzer and contour I have from ELF and the liquid blush from ELF. So I'll do that off camera and come back. I am done applying the contour and the blush, so I'm going to go ahead and make use of the Huda Beauty concealer. This is in the shade Crumble 7.1N, 7.1 neutral basically. I'm just going to go here, and I feel this concealer is very creamy, if you should ask me, because it definitely slides really gently. I'm just going to wait for this to dry down a bit, then we are going to go ahead and blend. This has dried down, and I'm going to make use of my powder puff to blend out my concealer. This is what I usually do. We'll start from here. And if you ask why I'm making use of the powder puff, is because I get more coverage from my concealer while using this. So that way I end up using basically less product, and it gives me more coverage. So like less product equals more coverage using your powder puff compared to when you use like a beauty sponge or your brush. That is my own take. Basically, I tried it and I loved it. Under eye, look up and blend. And I love the concealer because it actually covers. So irrespective of the fact that I put in a lot of blush here, because of the kind of blush effect I want, it still gives it a very nice coverage, which is really beautiful and chef's kiss. Now that I am done with all the wet products on my face, I'm going to go ahead and make use of the Huda Beauty setting spray, and we have to shake before use. And I love to soak yourself and then we wait for this to dry. This right here is my absolute fave because this dries all the oil on your face, and this is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Duo, and I got it in the shade Pink Pumpkin. So I'm just going to pour out bits that I'm going to use here. Let's see how beautiful this looks. Yeah. So now I'm just going to blend this in. I love to diffuse at the back of my palm and go in. Oh, can you see under of my eye, like how dry it is now and how beautiful it actually looks? And this powder also has a very nice scent to it. Like, it just reminds me of when I was little, the way the powder my mom used on me smelled like. Tell me you're not already in love with how the under of my eyes actually looks right now. Tell me you're not in love with it. And I know you're lying. You're basically just lying. So I think I need to come closer for you guys that don't know about the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. So I'm going to press this side in. This is the side with Easy Bake, and this is the side without. And you can clearly see the difference. I also make use of this powder to set my blush, so that when I apply the powder blush, everything just goes in seamlessly. Like, I don't even have to blend and blend and blend so much. So like basically setting my entire face with the powder. Take my money, but don't waste, please. Don't waste, you're expensive. This is the Huda Beauty blush palette, and I got it in the shade Roseberry. I absolutely love this shade so much. It's so pretty, and I love to use this very dark shade here. I think it's Bronzeberry, and you know, just take it in, take as much as I can, diffuse a bit and press it in. I love this blush so much. The pigment is so good and it comes out very well. Most times I end up not even taking enough because I am scared of how it is going to turn out. I'm going to use this shade to act as the transition shade because it is almost the same shade with the loose powder. Oh, see how pretty this is looking. Like, it looks so good. And I'll put a bit on my forehead as well, just to be extra. Or it's not going to be like very noticeable. Oh, what do you think? What do you guys think of the blush? Isn't this so pretty? Like, it just sits so beautiful on my face. Look at this, guys. So pretty. I do not have a Huda Beauty powder bronzer, so I'm going to still go off and apply my bronzer. I'm sorry, guys, and I'll be back. I have applied my bronzer, and this is how my face is looking at the moment. So it's now time for the lip combo. So I'm making use of the Huda Beauty Lipstain in Toasty Brown and the Fox Filler. This is in Bombshell and this is in Glassy. So I just hope this actually comes out, because the issue I always have with this pen is that it doesn't just show up. If I shake it now, it's going to spill everywhere. I think we'll just manage what we have for now, because I can't even risk wasting this lip stain. It's expensive. I think this is it for the lip stain. I think this is what the lip stain can offer. And I'm going on with this one. This is how the shade looks. This is Bombshell. And then I'm just going over everything with the shade Glassy. This is what the lips are looking like. I absolutely love it. So simple and so easy. Like, this took me like literally seconds, and you're done. Now our face is done. We've applied all our wet products and all our dry products. I'm still going to go ahead and make use of the setting spray again to make sure that everything locks in and, you know, mix up well with the skin. This is how it is looking. Not bad. Quite good. And this, guys, is a full face of, not full, but a face using mostly Huda Beauty products. And this is looking pretty good. I'm proud of myself. It looks really good. It looks really cute, and you know, not bad at all. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel so YouTube knows that I did not just talk to myself throughout this episode. And do well to tell me which brand you would like me to try next in the comment sections, and please a brand that I can afford, not a brand that's like too expensive, please. Thank you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.